What's up, everybody? This is Ash with Card Junkie, and today we got a Pokemon ETB Obsidian Flames Charmander box. Jump right in and see what we can get. Alright, get that out of the way. Alright, let's grab the booster packs out of there. And then dividers off to the side. Energy cards, there's the promo card. Take the sleeves out. Might use those later. But here's the promo card. Pretty cool. And here is our 9 booster packs. So let's go ahead and jump right into it and see what we get. Smoliv, Buzel, Hooper, Phantom, Armirage, Amoonguss, Arbolova, Lillipup, Bronzer, and to Scissor order. Alright, next pack. Rowlet, Diglett, Comb, Hondur, Espeon, Sharpedo, Linon, Cabaminoble. Having a difficult time tonight, Jesus. Clodsire, Toxtricity. Jeez, gonna be one of those nights. Got Oddish, Dratini, Charmander, Yungoos, Pidgeotto, Dragonair, Armirage, Graveyard, Togepi, Drakkar, nothing special. Baltoy, Rowlet, Diglett, Comb, Atari, Mawile, Beaufort, Lechonk, Oddish, Melmetal EX. Alright. Now it's getting a little bit better, but still got a long way to go. Charizard would be nice. Swablu, Oddish, Dratini, Charmander, Bellibolt, Trevenant, Electros, Nosepass, Bronzer. Come on now. Give me something good. Let's go. Let's go. Honduras. Toad School. Eevee. Magnemite. Crabble. King Ambit. Oinkologne. Palafin. Salandit. Togekiss. Come on, Charizard. I know you're in there somewhere. Young Goose. Litwick. Pidgey. Fungus. Flamingo. Bronzong. Beartick. Crab Brawler. Smoliv. And Scovillain. Come on, just gonna give me one EX of this whole box. That can't be right. I know that these last two packs, hopefully, will give my money back on this box. Larvitar, Electric, Salandit, Faroon, Letter of Encouragement, Chandelier, Patrol Cap, Excadrill, Crogonal, and Toxtricity. What is going on here? Last pack, Magic or Tragic? Larvesta. Come on, let's go. Finizen, Baltoy, Rowlet, Charmeleon, Excadrill, Pidgeotto, Carvanaha, Tadbulb, and come on. Well, that ATB box wasn't nice to me. Well, I guess hopefully the next box will be better. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, turn on notifications, hit the like button, and hopefully we get a better cards next time. Till next time, peace.